Okay, so throughout the week, just like last week, I was able to get a few bags of leaves that I didn't have to do any work to other than stick them in my car, which is what I did. And I was able to get a pumpkin this morning. Again, it's not totally rotten, so I'm going to grab that, throw that in the compost, which is great for worms. They absolutely love pumpkin flesh. Yeah, a couple more bags just like last week, and we're going to go put them in the composter right now. And I got some other work I got to do. I'm going to try and maybe clean out the male, the Billy's paddock. So there's a lot of nice material down there, and I want to get in and fertilize my raised beds. So stay tuned, and let's get at it. All right, here I am at my raised bed. I threw a couple bags in here. I put the bag underneath the leaves and then just dumped one on top of each other. I did rake out some of the wood chips and just moved it to the side a bit, so I'm more concentrated in the middle, but it's going to do good. Then I went and I put some of this straw. Well, it's actually hay, but you know, whatever. I put it down here to cover, and replenished a few other spots. Some that weren't covered, I added. So that's just what I've done today. I'll get back at it tomorrow and do a little bit more. It's miserable out here, but I'll show you what I did at the compost too as well. Again, I just dumped a few more over here, plus the pumpkin. I chopped it up. You can see some remnants right there. Put it underneath, put the leaves on top. I think these are from like a laurel tree, but there is maple leaves in there everywhere, which is all good. And again, I'll keep adding stuff to this. I am going to clean out the goat paddock, so we'll see how much I get out of that and where I can spread it around. Probably put some here, some there. Let's get back at it. Well, I'm seeing my first bit of snow. That is snow that you can see slightly on the screen. And these are the two girls. They're in the goat pasture right now, trying to clean up some of the hay that had fallen on the ground. But I'm in here cleaning up this paddock. We'll put it in the poop spreader here, and we'll grab, well, whatever else I can grab and put in there, and then we'll dump it off back in my food forest for me to apply later, possibly today, but we'll see how much this tires me out. But I'm going to get in there, rake a bunch of it out, and then get going. Okay. All right, so I got a shovel full over here of hay and manure mix, urine soaked, and then we have the poop spreaders full. So you can see it's full. I even grabbed a couple of cow patties and stuff, and this is the job I did for the goat here, to clean out the goat pasture, goat paddock, sorry. And then that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go put that and add it to my compost, and it'll really help liven up that dirt a bit. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I get the best dirt in the world. And there we go, day done here. Perfect. Give it a nice big mix up right here while it goes in. And then I'll come in with the other tractor, and I'll, you know, mix it all in, and by next spring we're going to have some really nice compost here. I was making short work of that. Okay, a couple of videos ago, I wanted to show you this little gift I got, an early Christmas present. It was right after we picked our apples that my niece and I couldn't reach a couple of those apples. So her boyfriend, nice guy that he is, he just immediately went to Amazon and bought me one of these fruit pickers. And you can see how they work. You can get, like, you know, 4 or 5 apples and or pears in there, and then you lower it and whatever, a little cushion for the bruising and whatnot. But that'll really help a lot to pick some of those high apples that I really wanted to get but I couldn't reach. So yeah, yay me. Can't wait to use it next year when all the fruit starts blooming.